Benchmark Exam 2, Part 2. Number 1. What is one way to lower the cost of production? A. Hire additional workers. B. Create and use new technologies. C. Offer discount prices. Or D. Use more resources. Number 2. All the following are ways the government promotes competition except A. Increase taxes. B. Engage in global trade. C. Enforce antitrust laws. Or D. Support business startups. Remember, this question says except for number 2. 3. The host of a popular television talk show recently used inappropriate language while live on the radio. He is now required to have a 7-second delay. What government agency is requiring this delay? Which one is over TV and radio broadcast? Would it be A, the Securities Exchange Commission, B, the Federal Trade Commission, C, the Federal Communications Commission, or D, the Environmental Protection Agency? Number 4. What statement best explains why the government provides goods and services to citizens? A, to make a large profit by providing certain goods and services to its citizens. B, to provide benefits to small groups of people in certain areas of the country. C, to compete with businesses in the private sector. Or finally, D, to provide goods and services that would not be available if individuals had to produce them themselves. Number 5. Public goods and services are mainly paid for through A, taxes, B, banks, C, corporations, or D, donations. Number 6. The United States government provides the following public goods and services except: is it A, satellite radio, B, postal service, C, national defense, or D, interstate highways? So what does the government not pay for? Number 7, the United States government gets most of its money from taxes people and businesses pay on the money they earn. What is a tax that people pay on the money they earn? They earn a what? Is it A, property tax, B, excise tax, C, sales tax, or D, income tax? Number 8, other than income taxes, how else does the state government in Virginia get the money to pay for public goods and services? Would it be A, through import tax, B, through excise taxes, C, through donations, or D, through sales taxes? Number 9, every year residents in Pittsylvania County pay a tax on their houses, on their land, on their cars, and on their boats. What type of tax is that? Is it A, a sales tax, B, an income tax, C, a property tax, or D, an excise tax? 10. What is the Central Bank of the United States called? A, National Savings and Loans, B, Federal Bank, C, National Credit Union, or D, the Federal Reserve? Number 11. All of the following are jobs of the federal government except A, increase taxes, B, provide financial and banking services for the federal government, C, regulate banks to keep deposits safe, or D, manage the money supply and interest rates to keep inflation low and stable. So remember, 3 of these the Federal Reserve does do. 1 of them they do not. What do they not do? Number 12. The chairperson of the Federal Reserve helps keep the economy and inflation stable. Sometimes this might mean he or she has to raise. Would it be A, interest rates, B, taxes on banks, C, the minimum wage, or D, the unemployment rate? Number 13. Private property is protected by A, the Securities Exchange Commission, B, negotiated contracts that are enforceable by the law, C, the Federal Trade Commission, or D, the Federal Reserve? Number 14, the government sets guidelines for producing goods and services to A, protect the health and safety of consumers, D, decrease the price of products, C, increase the price of products, or D, allow businesses to operate freely. Number 15, which solution will have the biggest impact if a consumer's rights have been violated? A, interview for the newspaper, B, take legal action, C, boycott the company, or D, write a complaint letter. Number 16, if someone needs information about safety in the workplace, what agency should they go to for this information? Would it be the Food and Drug Administration for A, B, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, C, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or D, Consumer Product Safety Commission? Number 17, a television campaign that focuses on recycling and stopping pollution is most likely connected to what government agency? Is it A, the SEC, B, the Federal Trade Commission, C, the Federal Communications Commission, or D, the Environmental Protection Agency? Number 18, the American government issues money to A, enable all citizens to be financially equal, B, become a self-sufficient nation, C, help in the exchange of goods and services, or D, compete against the members of the European Union. Number 19, money is defined as anything that's accepted as a method of payment. What does not fit that description? Is it A, currency, B, credit cards, C, debit cards, or D, coins? So what there is not money? Number 20, Maria just graduated from high school. She wants to begin the process of planning a career. What's the first thing that Maria should do? Should she A, take classes at the local community college, B, find people willing to give her a positive recommendation, C, complete some kind of self-assessment, or D, apply for as many jobs as she can find? Number 21, which individual best demonstrates an employee with a strong work ethic? Is it A, Laura is a nurse and loves her job. Sometimes she does not complete her paperwork during her shift and arrives late to work. B, is it Kim, who's a teacher and loves children? She often allows her students to break the rules so they will like her, and she frequently misses faculty meetings. C, is it Steve, who's a salesman for an educational software company? He has the lowest sale numbers and can be argumentative with customers. Or is it D, Donald, who works at a local factory? He's always on time. He uses his problem-solving skills and advice from his boss to complete difficult tasks. So who in that list has the best work ethic? 22, higher skill levels in education will most likely lead to A, higher income, B, increased supply, C, fewer jobs, or D, lower income. Number 23, what type of individuals do employers want to hire? A, those that keep pace with changes in technology, B, high school dropouts, C, those with poor attitudes and behaviors, or D, those that learn only one skill. Number 24, technological advancements have led to all the following except. So what have technological advancements not led to? A, the creation of new jobs in the workplace. B, opportunities to work for companies that are in other countries. C, competition from foreign workers for jobs. Or D, less education being required for today's workforce. Number 25, Teresa brought a radio from a local store. When the radio stopped working, Teresa remembered she had a warranty for the product. How will this